Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today I'm going to make a little wristlet. And that wristlet is going to be made with tiny little wool balls. It's a kit, and everything comes complete. So these are the little felt wristlets that I'm talking about. The kit comes with 25 of these really cute balls. These balls are a 1.5 centimeter. We get that little swivel, the cord, and a special needle to put this all together. So we're going to start with this cord, put the two ends together so we can get to that center. Put that center loop right inside, and then we're going to just pull the ends through. So that's all there is to it. Now that we have that on, the first ball is going to go on between those two threads. The remainder will go on each side. So I'm just going to squish those two ends and stick them both in the eye of that big needle. Now I will share a little secret if you're having problems getting that in, and it's going to involve a tiny little piece of paper. We want to just take a little piece of paper and make sure that if we fold it in half, that it's going to fit through the eye of that needle. So it's going to go through right like that. Now unfold that paper and put the two ends of the thread right inside. Just tuck those ends in. Now I'm going to be able to just slide that fold in. Just squeeze it and keep moving, and the ends are going to come right through. So I'm going to be able to put on that first ball. So we're going to have to wiggle a little bit, and then little by little, that little end's going to come out and slide it in. There's a lot of thread that comes out of that first one, so you might find it handy to hold on to something that is going to grip that needle. Quilting gloves work great, and there we go. First ball is on. Take out one of the threads and continue. Little wiggle, there it is. Give a little wiggle, and there it pops through. Stick that in, give a little wiggle, it pops through. So I'm going to fill up the one end, I'm going to rethread the second side and fill that up. Add as many balls as you would like. So I'm going to be able to take that off, and then I'm going to tie a square knot. So for a square knot, we're going to put the two pieces together. The one end is going to go around, and then we're going to do that second side, and it is going to go around and inside. So I'm going to just make sure that that goes right at the end when I do that. I'm going to do that one and do the other. We should be able to take that and pull it so it doesn't come apart. Now we're going to just simply take the ends and just put them right back through those balls. So we can work that into that one ball and work it into that second ball. And what we're going to do is just cut that tail end and then thread the next one in to the other side. Now that that little project's done, we're going to be able to clip it to whatever we want to be clipped on. And it's going to fit around our arm. It'd be a lot of fun for keys. However, I want to use it for a little sharp pair of snips that I like. I am always having to look for these under piles of fabric. And with all those different colors, it is sure to show up in all of the different fabrics I'm using. I'm happy now that I have something to mark these little snips, so I'm able to find them on my cutting mat. I'll put some links in the description if you'd like to check it out. And as always, thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram. I have a newsletter. It's all free under So Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a spectacular day. Bye for now.